everyone, welcome back to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. I am Srijita and today I will be building chatbots with you guys using AI. Though there are various websites like Tars, ManyChat, Chatfill that can help you build an AI chatbot, today I will be using Chatling and Poe. By the end of the video, you will be able to create a chatbot using Chatling as it is easy to use, customizable, and can be linked to your website, as well as I will show you how to use Poe.com to make an informative and unique AI chatbot, as it offers various AI models like ChatGPT, GPT-4, Claude, DALL-E, and more, all from a single interface. Let us take a glance on what an AI chatbot is. An AI chatbot is a program that uses artificial intelligence to engage in human-like conversations. Basically, there are three types of chatbots like rule-based chatbot, AI-powered chatbot, and lastly, hybrid chatbot. Without making any delay, let's jump into the video. Now, the first step is you have to search for Chatling. So the first website that appears is obviously an official website and you need to click on it, and the easiest way to build effective AI chatbot. Now click on to chat for free. This is basically the interface that you will gonna get, and without wasting any time, let's create a chatbot. So you will find a couple of options. Start from scratch, AI chatbot, basic lead generation, and lead generation. So we need to start with AI chatbot. Let's give a simple and a classy chatbot name. Let's keep it Ask Me. It is creating a chatbot and it has created the name. Now I'm inside the Ask Me project and we can see a clean dashboard. You can even click it and see I have already created one chat box, which was namely Chatly. And basically you can see here the projects and you can build over here. So the first thing we need to do over here is to set up our chat box. For that, we need to click on Builder. It looks technical. You can zoom in and out according to you. It is zooming in. And here's basically the conversation. Before we get started, please provide your details below. Obviously, I'm going to ask their name and email accordingly. And then group #1. Hi, contact name. I don't want to change it. And yeah, it looks good. So here basically generate an AI answer. They wanna anything they wanna ask the user. They wanna capture the text, and basically based on that captured text, they will provide the answer. And so it looks good to me. So I will move ahead publishing this. So it is published. So if you're really interested in shaping the future of AI, then Simplilearn's professional certificate program in generative AI and machine learning in collaboration with IIT Guwahati is for you. In just 11 months, you will gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge tools like ChatGPT, OpenAI, and Hugging Face, learning directly from IIT faculty and industry experts. With 25 plus real-world projects, IBM hackathons, and a campus immersion at IIT Guwahati, you will be ready to lead in the AI revolution. Moving on, the most important thing is the knowledge that you feed in. Now click on this knowledge base and you need to add new. Presently there are no data sources added, so you need to add new. So here are basically various options through which you can feed the chatbot: website, sitemap, URL list, document, text, fact, and Zoho. In case of website, you can add URL and it can read it. In case of the sitemap, it is basically the scanning of a particular website. In case of URL list, you can give it a list of URLs. And the best way is obviously FAQs, the frequently asked questions. And let me add those. I have previously made a copies of the famous FAQs. You can also search it and get it there. Let me copy the question and paste it over here. Let's add more. It depends basically on how you add it and what are the things you are adding on that will make your chatbot good. Let's add quite more, okay? It won't take time. Okay, let's keep it up to this. And let's click on submit. Like you can add as many as you want. You have that freedom, and let's make it a good one. After I have added the FAQs, let's move forward on the appearance side. When you click on the appearance, there are design, text, and configure. In the design part, basically there are colors. You can customize it as you want it. Like the primary color is black, chat width, positioning, bottom right, it will appear over here. It is good. Let's change the image. Let's browse it. And already had added one. Yeah, it looks good. Let's make it up to 70. It looks good and people will find it attractive. You can obviously change it, like now it is a typical chat icon. You can even change it. So it is nice. Let's save it. It is saved. Chatbot saved successfully. Now let's move on to the text section. You can write a particular header title. Let keep it as ask me support. For obvious reasons, support, save. It is saved. Then let's move on to the configure part. So, height powered by Chatling text. Obviously, it is you need to move to the upgrade plan or purchase add-on to use this option. So I can't do this. Ask a user to rate AI response. This is very important because you always find a reason to improve and then rate it. So let's do this. Hovering message, enable on desktop, enable on mobile. So let's keep it. I like it like this only, disable option, because sometimes it gets clustered. So basically, I will not enable it. Then this is also an upgrade plan option. You need to upgrade it and to auto open chat. So it is fine. Let's save it and move forward. Now let's move out of the dashboard. Now coming to the website widget. The first is select the display type. Like you can choose the floating chart, inline, and full screen. Floating chart is obviously the typical way that when you open a website, it will like appear like this on the right bottom corner. Inline, it will take half the screen. Full screen, it will be a full screen. So I like it floating chart. So now the most important thing, you're getting your chatbot is ready and you're getting this JavaScript snippet and you need to copy this for obvious reasons to link it to your website. Now I will tell you how to link it. Now finally we are ready to paste it to our website. I have already made a food delivery website using Cursor AI. If you still don't know how to use Cursor AI, you can check out the description below and learn how to use it. Coming back, we can just open on the index.html while viewing the website. Like what you need to do is in the index.html, after the script tag, like before this body and tag, you just need to enter and you need to paste it. Yeah, like this. And you need to save it and open with live server and you can see here is your chatbot. I'm an AI chatbot that can answer all your questions. You need to give your name and email and submit it. Now, the second tool is Poe.com. So, you need to go to the browser and search for Poe. So basically, I got it directly because I've already logged in. You need to log in with your email account and you will get a terminal like this. So when you click on your bots, you will get to see all the bots it has. Chatterflow is what I created before, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet, it are all these bots that makes Poe.com special. It even has GPT. Without wasting our time, we can just click on create a bot. And it will give you options like prompt bot, image generation, video generation, role play, and server bot. Today I will teach you how to build a prompt bot. So the bot type is prompt bot and you can click and edit the picture. It looks professional. So name of the bot, just keep it as simple and professional. Chatly underscore 2.0. Now you can click. Basically it will give you two options, Claude 3 Haiku and GPT-4 Mini. You can choose anything between these two as the result is same and it works great. After the base bot is done, you can write the prompt. It is basically tell your bot how to behave and how to respond user messages. Try to be as clear and specific as possible. It is even given the example, like you're a travel assistant, you need to specifically tell the bot that you are this. And then what is the use? Like provide travel recommendations for destinations, hotels, and activities in a friendly and informative manner. So I want to give instructions as you are a food delivery customer support agent. Okay. Keep your answers clear and informative and friendly. Enter. Always be available to help customers out. If they ask you what all you have, answer them. We have pizza, burger, salad, and pasta. Always apologize when you don't know the information. In a polite way. After you are given the prompt, you need to give the knowledge base. And when you click on to add knowledge base, there basically you can select the files and you can write it manually. So, as I have already created the file, let's see in documents. Yeah, I have already created the facts and let's add it. It is processing it. It may take a time. Till then, let's keep it. Hey, what you wanna have on your plate today? Looks good. You can add the bio. Like if you want to create the bio, you can create it. But it is not important, so I would keep it blank. And you can edit the picture and everything is done. After that, just click on to create the bot. Continue without editing. See, it is already what you want to have on your plate today. Pizza. Great choice. We have delicious pizza available for you. If you need any more information or assistance with your order, feel free to ask. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. We need to appreciate it. Obviously. You are welcome. So, with this, we have come to the end of the video. If you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Till then, have a good day with Simplilearn.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.